Hello everyone, I'm Mumtaz, a student of Asian College of Teachers doing a short-term course of TESOL. I joined the Asian College of Teachers with the intention of becoming a good online English teacher. Initially when I joined, I was not very sure. I was a little bit apprehensive. But now, I find it very effective, very comfortable. The teachers are all very supportive and helpful. I attended the Phonology webinar, which was very useful for me. I learned lots of things that is needed for the good communication of English language, like the phonetic script, syllables, pronunciation, intonation, many things that I can apply in my classes. Thank you so much for giving me so much awareness about the language. Thank you.
If you like the video, please subscribe our channel. Press the bell icon to get the notification for a new video.